Finding the courage to change. Easy does it. Sometimes things just aren't working. Often that means I'm trying to force a solution. Sometimes I wear two layers that have a zipper, like a sweater under a jacket. If I mismatch the two zippers, they will just get stuck. I could keep going, trying to force the zippers together, but that just delays me. I have to slow down and look at the zippers more carefully. I slow down, calm down, and think. Easy does it. Soon my layers are matched up correctly, and I'm on my way. Easy does it works in other situations where I feel stuck. If I'm stuck, then there's a mismatch. Something's out of alignment. There's only two parts to consider. Either I'm not a match to the situation, or the other person is not a match. Am I trying to force another person to match my requirements? When I judge them, resent them, or manipulate them, I'm trying to force them into what I want. I need to take a step back, and easy does it. Can I love them as they are? Am I trying to force myself to match someone else's requirements? When I feel less than or not good enough, that's often the case. I need to slow down and consider what's right for me. I need to love myself enough to allow my real self to come to the party. Easy Does It is a tool that helps me get more clarity on a problem. By stepping back, I get a new perspective. By slowing down, I see details that I was missing. By allowing things to be as they are, I can make better judgments. Easy Does It allows me to see things clearly.